In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp not responding. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your WhatsApp, force close it and relaunch it. Then restart your phone and try opening the app again. If the issue continues, launch your settings app. Now you'll need to clear cache and cookies for WhatsApp. So, go to General, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Then you can head back. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Insufficient storage might also cause this kind of error. Next, check for software update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, you can completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.